Welcome to Elite Service Masters, your go-to channel for expert tips, strategies, and advice on home improvement and contracting. Whether you're tackling a big renovation or just looking to save some cash on your next project, we're here to help you get the most out of every dollar you spend. Are you tired of feeling like every contractor quote you get is just a little bit too high? Maybe you've been dreaming about that perfect kitchen remodel or finally updating your bathroom, but the costs keep pushing your project further and further down your to-do list. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some expert strategies to help you get cheaper contractor rates without sacrificing quality. Yes, you heard that right. Top-notch service at a price that won't break the bank. First off, let's talk negotiation. Now, I know negotiating with contractors can feel a bit intimidating. But here's the thing. Contractors expect you to negotiate. It's part of the game, so don't be shy about it. The key here is to do your homework. Get multiple quotes. This is crucial because it gives you a benchmark to work from. Once you have those quotes, you can start the conversation with confidence. Mention that you've received other offers and see if they can match or beat them. But negotiation isn't just about price. You can also negotiate on materials. For example, if your contractor is providing materials as part of the deal, ask if they can recommend more cost-effective options or if they can source materials at a discount. Sometimes a slight change in material can save you a lot of money, and you might not even notice the difference in the finished product. Now let's talk timing. Believe it or not, when you hire a contractor can make a huge difference in the rate you'll pay. Contractors have busy seasons, typically spring and summer, when demand is high and so are their prices. If you can schedule your project during the off-season, say in the winter, you might be able to snag a better deal. Contractors are often looking for work during these slower periods, so they're more likely to offer discounts to fill their schedules. But timing isn't just about the season. Even within a month, timing can affect your quote. For instance, contractors are more likely to offer discounts at the end of the month if they're trying to hit sales targets. It's a small thing, but it can work in your favor. Next up, finding reliable contractors who won't charge you an arm and a leg. This can feel like looking for a needle in a haystack, but there are some strategies to make it easier. First, ask around. Word of mouth is still one of the best ways to find good contractors at reasonable rates. Talk to friends, family, and neighbors who have recently had work done. Not only can they point you to someone trustworthy, but they might also share what they paid, giving you a ballpark figure to work with. Another tip? Don't underestimate the power of online reviews. Sites like Yelp, Angie's List, and even Google reviews can be gold mines for finding contractors who do great work without overcharging. Look for patterns in the reviews. Consistent praise for fair pricing is a good sign, as are mentions of transparency and good communication. And if you see the same complaints popping up like hidden fees or unreliable scheduling, that's your cue to keep looking. Now here's a little-known trick. Leverage referrals. If you found a contractor you like but their quote is still a bit steep, ask if they offer any referral discounts. Many contractors are happy to knock a few bucks off the price if you bring them more business. So, if you know someone else who's also looking for a contractor, you could both save by referring each other. Finally, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: understanding the scope of your project. The clearer you are about what you want, the more accurate your quotes will be. Take the time to plan out every detail before you even start looking for contractors. When you're vague about what you want, contractors might pad their quotes to cover unexpected costs. But if you're specific, they're less likely to overestimate, and you can avoid costly change orders later on. And here's a bonus tip for those of you still with us. Consider bundling projects. If you have multiple things that need doing, try to get them done at the same time. Contractors are often willing to offer a discount for larger jobs because it's more efficient for them to tackle everything in one go. So, if you've been putting off a couple of smaller projects, bundling them together could save you a nice chunk of change. So, there you have it. Our top tips and strategies for getting cheaper contractor rates without sacrificing quality. Remember, it's all about being informed, strategic, and a little bit savvy. Don't be afraid to ask questions, compare quotes, and push for the best deal. Thanks for sticking with us here at Elite Service Masters. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And for more insider advice on home improvement and contracting, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more valuable content coming your way, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.